Hey, it's Adam with Blind Horse. We're out at a project here. I was called out to fix some potholes, maybe bring out some new, some fresh top course. So yeah, we're going to be fixing this area here. And we've got some a little bit of muddy conditions right in here, so we're going to try and clean all of this up. All right, stay tuned. Okay, we just erased pretty much all of those potholes. So now I'm just going to kind of compact this a little bit, this area here. And yeah, get it ready for some 5/8 minus top course in here. I'll probably smooth this out a little bit more, get these ridges out of here, but it's looking good already. Okay, I just thought I'd come back, and the customer wants me to go ahead and measure out another section of the roadway to refinish it. A couple of weeks back I came out and fixed some potholes that were here. Laid down some 5/8 minus on top of 1.25 washed, and yeah, it's looking very good. It's gotten a lot of traffic over the last 2 weeks. We just had a rain, and there are no potholes filling back up, so all looks great.